Yo, what's up, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. I am back with another video of me adding a wood trunk liner to my car. And the main reason why I'm doing it is not because it's dirty or nothing like that. It's because of this part. This part is broken. You feel me? Like, this is like inner stuff, so I'm gonna have to take this whole thing out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to unpin this real quick, take the clip out of this just to get the whole thing out, because this part is broken, you know what I'm saying, and I don't like broken stuff, so I'm just gonna have to change that. And I still got my spare tire stuff, and look at the car, but look how broken it is. Like, if you could tell, you see how broken that shit is, man? That shit is unacceptable over here, you feel me? So I'm gonna have to take this out, unfortunately, and do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna do it, and I got my tools for it and all that, so let's get it, man. So y'all see this, right? I took the thing out. Look at all these pieces that's broken. Like, it's crazy. Look how my shit look now. Can't even accept that, you know what I'm saying? So I just have no choice but to do an upgrade, you feel me? So alright, so I'm back now, and I want to show you this wood that I got. You know, it's kind of long and stuff like that, but I'm about to put my trunk liner. I'm gonna put this on the floor and put my trunk liner on top of it to measure it, and then I'm gonna just cut it out, you know what I'm saying? Because I bought the jigsaw and stuff like that, so I'm definitely gonna show you that in a second. So alright, so I'm back, you know what I'm saying? As I'm showing you right here, this thing is on the floor, you feel me? Because I just want to show y'all that I'm about to trace all this stuff around it, and I'm gonna have to do a little adjustments, because this is gonna be like, this is a thick wood, you know, so I'm gonna have to do some adjustments a little bit. And also, this side right here is like no good. It's like rotten or whatever or whatnot, you feel me? So it was from outside, so the thing is still good, the wood is still good, you feel me? And I'm ready to trace it, so I'm gonna definitely show y'all. Alright, so as you can see, it's been traced and all that, you know what I'm saying? And when I get the chance, I'm gonna move this whole thing into the room, and then I'm gonna start cutting it out. Make sure it's cut out right, you know, and I'm gonna definitely show you the tools that I have to use this, and this is not even hard, you feel me? Alright, so I'm back, and I want to show y'all that I opened this box right here. This is a jigsaw. This is the edge guide, you feel me? Right here, this is the edge guide when you have to measure before you cut. And also I have this knife right here. This is the 3 blades that they gave me in the box, and this to screw in this, like the blade into this stuff. You know, this is my very first time ever doing this, and this is not even hard, because, you know, I'm really good with my hands and all that. So I'm gonna definitely put this in together, and I'm just gonna show y'all. Alright, so this is my very first time cutting. I read the instructions and everything how to do this, and I'm gonna try it out. Let's get it. Your shit is mad easy. So I did it, you know what I'm saying? And this was easy. This was never hard. And I know I made a big ass mess, but all that's gonna get taken care of, you feel me? Because I can't be dirty, you know what I mean? So I'm about to test fit this on the car. If it don't fit much like it's supposed to, then I'm gonna like shave it, the edges, make sure it fits, you feel me? So yeah, I'm in the trunk now, and it really fits. You know what I'm saying? No loose, nothing. It just fits. You know, let me move this bag real quick. So look, it fits in there. You feel me? Even though this is out a little bit, but it still fits. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's in there, I'm good. You feel me? And you know, it's like a little gap over here, sort of, but it's not that bad. You know, I just gotta, like, as long as the joint is in there, it's good. It's literally in there, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? So it's really in there. The front is good. The front is pretty good. Good thing I did the front, even though I didn't do the best of it. So now, and then I can move this up if needed. You know, if I need it. You know what I'm saying? Even though this is heavy, but I got some other plans for that, because I ain't gonna really do all this in one shot. You know, I got another plan for that, which I'm gonna tell y'all in a minute. You feel me? So as you can see, I didn't get to record this, but I was shaving like these corners to make it like come out smooth and all that. So when I hold on to it, it could be real smooth instead of being like sharp. You know what I'm saying? So I did all this around. I'm almost done. You know what I'm saying? Then I was using this, and I'm gonna show you real quick. You know what I'm saying? See, I do it like that, and then hold on. What I do is like this. Do it like that, so that way it can be shaved and all that, you know. All right, so your boy's back, and I did all the shaving, everything, you know, even the back a little bit, you feel me? But I'm not worrying about the back too much, is because right now what I'm dealing with is this part here, you feel me? Like, I lined this up, and the reason why I lined this up, the black part, not this one, the black part, is because I'm gonna cut this in half, first of all. Second of all, there goes the hinges right here that I ordered off Amazon and stuff. I'm about to put these hinges on here, you know, I think like 2 or 3 hinges and stuff like that on in between, so that way it could open and close. And then after that, I'm just gonna paint it over, you feel me? And possibly put the polish thing on, like the stone shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna definitely show y'all what it is. And I got the nails right here as well. The screws, I mean, these are screws in here. You could barely see it. I don't know why it's not focusing, but you know, that's what I got for right now. So let's get it, man. So I cut it, you know, as you can see, this came out pretty okay. It came out pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Wasn't too perfect, but I mean, you see the line, you see these stuffs and stuff like that, just from the cutting thing, of course. But I'm gonna fix those in a second. I'm gonna shave it. I'm gonna make sure it come out smooth, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna shave the sides and nothing like that, because it's gonna be open and closed, you feel me? So I'm gonna fix it a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the hinges on this right now, so I can show you what exactly I'm talking about. You heard? So I did it, you know what I'm saying? And I did good. I feel like I did good, you know. So when I want to get my spare tire, whatever, all I gotta do is move up like this. Instead of pushing the whole thing up, then it'll be harder. So I had to make things easier. So it can go up. You know what I'm saying? You can go. You can do it this way too, but not in the trunk. So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about after I'm done doing this whole thing. You feel me? So this is good, and I'm very, very happy that I'm able to do this. You know. So now it's time for me to paint this joint real quick. You feel me? So let's get it, man. All right, so I'm back. As you can see, this is my paint right here, and I'm just gonna use this roller tool to paint on the wood because this is like for wood and metal and stuff like that. And this is like 6" and stuff like that. So I'm about to get ready to use this now, and y'all gonna see. So yeah, man, I did it, man. You know what I'm saying? I did 2 coats of this, you know, and it wasn't even hard to do. Like I even did the size 2 just to make sure, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, you know, it came out pretty good. I did what I could, you know, even though it looks a little choppy, but I'm gonna fix all that, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna have to use this thing called polyurethane thing. It's right here, you know what I'm saying? This is the oil base. And I'm using the satin clear, you know what I'm saying? I'm not using no glossy clear. It's just satin because there's nothing fancy about this anyways. And this is good for like clear coat. This is good for like paint protection and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to be use that in 24 hours, you know what I'm saying? I'm out. Alright, so I'm back now, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to use this poly thing right now on my wood. And I'm about to do like 2 coats. You feel me? At least 2 coats, and I might not sand it down nothing like that because this is an interior wood for my car, so it's really not that serious. You feel me? So let's get it, man. All right, so now this is my first coat, and then I'm gonna sand it down and wait 2 hours, and I'm gonna do another coat. So let's go. So now I gotta sand this down, and this is 400 grits. You feel me? So that way it dust. So that way, you know. All right, so I'm finished. I'm officially finished now. I just did 2 coats. I gotta wait till it dries like 24 hours, but it's gonna be a slower time to dry because it's oil, so it's different. Which it doesn't matter to me because I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it like to 28, between 28, 24 to 72 hours, I believe. I'll give it about a couple days for it to dry, you know, because this is not a fast drying, so I'm just gonna let it sit. You know, make sure nobody touches nothing like that. Of course, you know, so I'm gonna just let it dry, let it sit. I'm gonna give it a few days, and I'm gonna put it in my car, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? All right, so look, man, I did it. I'm very, very happy that I did this. You know, I had to do some switching up because my old thing broke. So I ended up doing the wood trunk floor, and it wasn't hard. And there's some gaps on here which I really don't care about, but all I know is that I did what I had to do for now. I can even do more of this. Like, I could add like wood on this side and that side maybe, or I could just do a whole new one if I want to. I'm grateful for this, and I honestly want to thank everybody for watching this video. It was like a week process, I would say, because I waited like for like 3 days or 4 days for this to dry. I mean, it dried in about a day and a half or two, but I gave it some more time because, you know, I'm patient, you feel me, and I want to make sure it's like legit dry and the oil's dry and everything on it is dry. So I honestly want to thank people for watching this video, and I have more videos coming soon. Your boy 534 is off this. Peace.